I rode my first motorcycle when I was about 5 or 6. The motorcycle's a lot of things for me. It's definitely a form of therapy. You can kind of just shut off life for a little bit and get out of your head and just really enjoy yourself on the bike. In the spirit of craftsmanship with the R18, it's still that boxer motor feeling that's always going to, be there. It's always going to be something that you enjoy. A lot of classic cues just within the motor itself, but a lot more range of power. That's one of the things that I've always loved about BMW motorcycles. They're really clean and simple machines, but they found the perfect balance of both function and design. It reminds us that true icons resist time. Never forget your roots.